Hi, my name is Beth Weithman, and Eric just finished an interactive assembly for our kindergarten to 4th grade and our 5th to 8th grade here at OLGC, where I'm the president of the PTO. And it was a great assembly. He was great at catering the assembly to the interests and needs of different age levels, and the kids really enjoyed it.
Her first beat ever. Good. Very good. Who wants to tell me the name of that melody? Grayson is going to tell us the name of the song. Thrills. Cheap Thrills. Give Grayson a hand. If Callie was a chipmunk, she might sound like this.
Hi, my name is Callie. Hi, my name is...
You guys want to hear what it sounds like when it goes even lower? You want to hear it lower? Doesn't go any lower. Yes, it does, actually. Anybody here ever watched a scary movie that had really low voices? That's how you do that. Music is really sounds that you put in order moving through time, right? Very cool. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I like that. Listen. Very cool. I like that beat. Okay, thank you, Hope, for that beat. Right.
Hi, my name's Amelia. Hi, my name is Amelia.
Very good. She can even scratch her voice. And she's gonna go forward, back, forward, back. Go ahead and try it.
Hi, my name is Amelia.
Awesome.
My name is Chase. My favorite food is pizza. My name is Aiden. My favorite food is macaroni and cheese.
Thank you guys very much.
It was great to work with him, and I'd highly recommend Eric and Mixed Major to any school looking for a great, fun, interactive assembly.